Alright guys, I am back. We obviously just died, and we need to go back and get our stuff because our sea moth is over here too. And I'm going the wrong way already. That's fantastic. So yeah, last episode obviously we made our sea moth. And yeah. I mean, you know, we died. We're recovering our stuff right now. But yeah, we also did go to see Life Pod 3, I believe. Saw that their Seaglide blew a hole in the side of their life pod. So yeah. But let's go recover our stuff. We were trying to gather some salt to get water so for bleach, so that we could disinfect some water, so we could like not die of thirst. But then we died of thirst. So that wasn't very successful, but we do have some salt, so we hopefully won't do that in the future. We're also grabbing some silver, copper, some resources we need to make a couple of different things. I think I need one more copper. So there's the sea moth, and I guess yeah, I died in the sea moth. Oh, I forgot that you like lose all of your stuff. So, yikes! I don't know if we're getting back all of the resources that I need. Looks like I'm missing it. No, that's basically everything I have. Oh, I think you just drop part of it, and then the rest, but everything's dropped. I don't know. You might have lost some stuff permanently, you might not have. I'm honestly not sure. All I do know is that I need one more copper, and I would like another piece of salt, I think. How much salt do I have? I have 2 salt, yeah. Yeah, I'd still like another piece of salt, but all of my... Oh, no, right there. I was gonna say all of my... Yeah, tube coral stuff's gone, but this is right there, actually. Piece of salt in my last tube coral thing. Let's just get some oxygen. Go back down. Grab this tube coral thing. Tube coral sample, whatever. And this salt. And hopefully we have enough space to go and grab a creep vine cluster, because we're going to need that for some lubricant in order to make the Seaglide. So we're going to make a quick stop over here, I believe. Yes, over here, to grab quick creep vine cluster. Bam. And then we'll go over here. We should be able to make the compass, a little HUD upgrade that you'll see at the top of the screen here soon, as well as the Seaglide, which will be really, really good for getting around. Alright. Give me lubricant. Oh, so give me some bleach. You know I need that. So I can get some disinfected water so I cannot die. Because I don't really like doing that, honestly. I don't really like dying. Wiring kit. Oh, I never got the copper. I need another piece of copper for some copper wire. Alright, let's make the Seaglide though. Ba-bam!
The Seaglide will increase your effective exploration range. For your safety, please pack supplies for the long journeys and stay within 5 kilometers of the nearest life pod or habitat.
Unfortunately, it also takes up 6 inventory slots, but it is well worth it. Turn that off. Oh cool, you can just toggle lights and map individually now? That did not used to be the case. Alright. Yeah, let's make some water. Gonna be pretty pretty important, I would say.
Emergency. A quantum detonation has occurred in the AURORA's dry core. The reactor will reach a supercritical state.
Yo.
Minus 10, 9, 8, 7,
Whoa.
6, 5,
Yo.
4, 3.
Yo. Whoa! Holy crap, that's a bad explosion. Yikes, I got like a Geiger counter going off and stuff. That's not good, is it? That really looks bad. Okay, well, guess that just blew up. We probably need a rad suit. I don't see a rad mask, but we're gonna need a rad suit. So that's gonna be a whole thing. Luckily, we already have the lead. We should just need. Can I make some water, please? We already have the lead. We should just need that fiber stuff here. Let's listen to this radio.
We just picked up a massive debris in the location. I didn't know how bad, how many of you. I didn't know. We're now en route to your location. We're gonna bring you home. Sunbeam out.
Sounds.
What else can I say? The only time I heard a rig this big on a rock that small was in VR. And I blew it. It's a bad optional run, but so are all the others.
Sounds like we're gonna get rescued, but he's not very good at parking ships. Sounds like they're coming to rescue us though, so hopefully that'll be soon, and we can just end this series already, right? Right? Okay, we've got the copper. We've got it. We've got the copper. Copper wire, and we can make ba-bam, a compass. Look at that thing at the top. Compass. Right under my meter thing. Got it. Facing north. That's north. Which way is the Aurora? The Aurora is east-ish. A little southeast, I'd say. Okay. What do we need? That's not like a thing, just blew up again. Alright, I've got way too much crap in my inventory. Can I make... Did I do something else? How much does it cost to make... Yeah, we can make one of these. Alright, we've got a waterproof locker here. Oop. Oop. Oof. We'll put all, most of our titanium in there. Creature egg. Sure, why not? Okay. Probably shouldn't do that and lose it. Towards the Aurora. And we're gonna go try to get 4 creep pine samples. And then just go back quick. Make the, rad suit that I'm gonna need.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
Because I just need that for some synthetic mesh. Which I don't even know why it's synthetic mesh, because it's literally made out of leaves, so it should be natural mesh, but whatever. We make this, oh, it's fiber mesh. Oh, I'm an idiot. This is... No, that's silicone rubber. Well, there's a synthetic mesh. I think there is. But this is not that. This is fiber mesh. What does it say? Probably calls it natural. Strong natural fiber. Nice. Literally not synthetic at all. Alright, rad suit. Ba-bam. Oh, there is a helmet. It gives you the helmet. Right now, unfortunately, we're gonna have to do that, but eventually we won't need the rad suit anymore. I don't think. So right now we need this if we're gonna go anywhere close to that, but we'll keep the rebreather on for now. And head to Life Pod 19. Let's see what's going on with them. They are 1,000 meters away. Hopefully we'll see some interesting stuff along the way, because otherwise it could be kind of boring. Luckily I don't think it's too far, so I'm not going to cut this time, I don't think, but eventually I think I will cut. And honestly, I might cut here if nothing happens. But we'll see. Alright, it also might take me a second to find this entrance. So yeah, I think we're going to cut here and I'll come back if there's something interesting or we start approaching. Alright guys, we're back. So we just came off the edge of that and it's kind of an abyss here. And there's a reaper, or that is not a reaper. There is a reefback leviathan right there. And I am just going straight down into the seemingly bottomless pit. Looks like we're seeing a bottom, so I guess it's not bottomless. That's good. But I'm about to hit the limit that my, what's it called, my sea moth will allow me to go, so I'm gonna have to go. Yeah, I can't really go any deeper than this, unfortunately. So let's try to check out this thing here actually first, just because we're here. See if there's anything interesting here. Moonpool fragment. Oh, that's very interesting. I'll tell you that much. I should probably eat something. And that's all I've got, so it better hold me over. Well, that's good. Hopefully they stay stable. That's gonna need a laser cutter, which we do not have access to just yet. I don't think there's any other entrances there. That looks like something. Might just be a radio though, so that's something you just default have access to. Chair here. Office chair. Oh, is that another moonpool fragment? Do we have the moonpool unlocked? I think so. Perfect. That's really good. The moonpool's really good. Yeah, we're definitely gonna want to build one of them. So we're gonna need to get a habitat builder and stuff for all that though. Thermal plant. Which is like, it's alright. I don't know if I'll ever use it, but hey, you know, maybe. There's another moon. No, that's a prawn suit torpedo arm. Wow. Some fancy stuff right there. Another moonpool fragment though. So, oh, that's bioreactor. Good, because bioreactor is what I like to use. Oh, cool. We just automatically get that unlocked. Let's quick get some oxygen. Alright. Let's get back out there. That's just a bunch of titanium and stuff. We might end up just dropping a bunch of titanium if that's what it comes to, but right now you just stock up on the stuff, right? That's what I'm thinking. Can I scan just this salt deposit? I cannot. Can I scan this giant deposit of lead? Nope. Can't do that either. Alright. Let's see. Another one of these eggs. That's some lithium. Definitely want that. Definitely want as much as I can get. Is that shale? No. It's not shale here. I don't really care for it too much. If it is shale, however, give me some of that stuff. Ooh, some ruby. That's shale. Which means... Nope, we didn't get it. But shale's very good. Because it can give us lithium, sure. There's actually some good stuff here, which also means there might be some dangerous stuff here, so we do have to kind of look out. But for right now, I'm just seeing good stuff. Like rubies and stuff. Alright. Very interesting. Where's the, floodlight here? Okay. Where's the sea moth? Well, let's get to the sea moth. Okay. A lot of interesting stuff. Wow. This is kind of an amazing place. Oop. Yeah, let's not. Oh, let's not be down there. Let's not do that. Oh, some alien vents and stuff. Yes, this is what I mean. It's got this built-in flashlight here. So I don't like to make the actual flashlight just because I don't feel like there's a need. The goal, and actually I shouldn't have been bothered with grabbing gel sacks. I just ate them, so that's kind of nasty. But I like to just get a seed, and then we can plant that. Scan this alien vent. Some sort of alien life down here. Eye stalk. Ooh, there's a green tiger thing. Let's stay away from that. Let's stay away from the tiger thing. Because I don't really feel like dying today. So, yeah. No. I don't love this cave thing we've got going on here. There's some uraninite. Alright, you know what? Don't really want to be here right this second. This is not good, actually. I'm a little bit turned around. And we got 30 seconds of oxygen. Yo. Okay, this actually is very bad. This is like really not good, guys. Where's the sea moth? Where's the sea moth? It's over here. No, it's not. Where's the sea moth? It's right there. We're not making it. We're not making it, guys. That's so not good. Oh, that's really bad. Luckily we have a Seaglide, so we should be able to make it back. But that sucks. Yeah, let's try to drop off our trash here. Like, whatever we have. So we have at least, like, full space. When we go back. Not like I've got a crazy amount, I just lost a bunch of our stuff. That sucks. Okay. Alright, let's try to make it back then. Go to the sea moth area. I don't know where I died, because I want to definitely recover my stuff, because I had a bunch of good stuff on me. And I definitely want to go back down there, because there is some, like, blood stuff, and they're pretty important. That's pretty important stuff. So I'm definitely going to cut to when we get back. I'm basically just going to be doing this. If anything interesting happens, I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back here at the Sea Moth.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
Alright, let's quick try to find our stuff. Hopefully we can. Here, let me get up to the Sea Moth and see if we can turn on these lights. I'm literally just swimming into a... I was just swimming into a nothing. That should help us see a bunch of stuff. So hopefully we'll see our stuff just floating somewhere.
Biodiversity in this region is unusually low. Cause unknown.
I don't know, it seems actually kind of high to me. Oh, but I think it's talking about that space up above. And I think I know why. And that's kind of like a yikes. I don't really want to be there. Alright, we'll try to recover some stuff. I just had a bunch of like stuff like this, so hopefully we'll be able to get a bunch of crap back, but might not be able to get all of it, unfortunately. Some lithium. I want to get that creature egg that I had, but you know, we'll see what we can do. Let's definitely try to get these bloodstock things. Just one scan. I definitely want to scan a bunch of this stuff. Gabe's feather. But I want to scan a bunch of stuff. This is ghost weed. Ghost weed. This is one of the things that I want, though. This is blood oil. This is like a stalk full of blood oil. This is how you get the stuff. And realistically, yeah, you turn into like benzene and stuff. It's a blood root. Let's get out of here. Oh shoot, guys. I hope I'm not an idiot and I just got myself back in this situation. I definitely am though, aren't I? Definitely am. Oh no, that sucks. Alright, I'm cutting. I keep dying. This is not fun, but we'll figure it out. Alright, I'll see you guys in a second.